Sam Bankman-Fried. At one point, the golden boy of the crypto world, a billionaire before the age of 30. And now, an inmate serving a federal sentence, his empire reduced to rubble. His name forever tied to one of the biggest financial scandals in American history. Let's rewind to the beginning. Born in 1992 in Stanford, California, Sam grew up in a family of academics. His parents were both law professors at Stanford, and by all accounts, Sam was a gifted student, excelling at math and strategy games from a young age. He graduated from MIT in physics and worked as a trader before founding Alameda Research, a quantitative trading firm focused on cryptocurrency. But the world really started paying attention when Sam launched FTX in 2019. It was sleek, modern, and aggressively marketed as the safe, trustworthy alternative in a wild crypto market. Sam branded himself as the reluctant billionaire. Messy hair, plain t-shirts, and an aura of a socially awkward genius who only cared about making the world better. He became a media darling. Fortune magazine called him the next Warren Buffett. Celebrities like Tom Brady, Gisele Bündchen, and Steph Curry signed deals to promote FTX. Millions of users worldwide signed up. At its peak, FTX was valued at $32 billion. Sam himself was worth over $20 billion, making him one of the richest people on the planet. But the truth? Behind that quirky, humble image was a financial time bomb. Prosecutors later revealed that Sam was funneling billions of dollars of customer deposits from FTX into Alameda Research. Those funds, the life savings of ordinary investors, were being used to cover risky bets, buy luxury real estate in the Bahamas, make political donations, and fund personal loans to top executives. On the surface, customers' accounts showed they still had their crypto. But in reality, the money was gone. The house of cards began to fall in November 2022 after a leaked balance sheet showed that Alameda's assets were propped up almost entirely by FTX's own token, a currency they essentially printed themselves. Panic spread across the market. Customers tried to withdraw billions in a crypto bank run, but FTX didn't have the funds. Within 72 hours, the company collapsed, filing for bankruptcy. The fallout was catastrophic. Over 1 million customers worldwide were locked out of their accounts. Celebrities who had endorsed FTX were sued in class action lawsuits, and the crypto industry suffered a wave of bankruptcies and lost trust. In December 2022, Sam was arrested in the Bahamas at the request of U.S. authorities. Extradited to New York, he faced charges of fraud, money laundering, and conspiracy. The trial in late 2023 was a spectacle. Former friends and executives, including his ex-girlfriend Carolyn Ellison, the CEO of Alameda, took the stand against him. They described how Sam directed them to misuse customer funds and how he ignored risk warnings in pursuit of growth and profit. Prosecutors painted him as calculating and arrogant, someone who thought he was too smart to get caught. Sam, in his defense, claimed it was all a terrible mistake, that he never intended to defraud anyone, and that the collapse was due to poor management and market crashes. The jury didn't buy it. In March 2024, Sam Bankman-Fried was convicted on 7 felony counts, including wire fraud, securities fraud, and conspiracy to commit money laundering. The judge called his actions one of the largest financial frauds in history, sentencing him to 25 years in federal prison and ordering him to forfeit billions in assets. From a $20 billion net worth to a prison jumpsuit. Sam's fall from grace is staggering. His story is now taught in business ethics classes, debated on crypto forums, and dissected in documentaries. For some, he's a cautionary tale about greed and hubris. For others, he's a symbol of how unregulated industries can spiral into disaster when trust is abused. Today, Sam sits behind bars, his messy hair and casual shorts replaced by prison attire. He's gone from mingling with world leaders and celebrities to counting days in a cell. And while appeals may follow, one thing is certain. The meteoric rise and catastrophic fall of Sam Bankman-Fried will remain one of the defining scandals of the crypto age.